What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the folding smartphones Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Flip 4 showed up in new renders without significant changes. More than a week is left before the official announcement of the new generation of foldable smartphones from Samsung. So apparently it's time for a leak. The official images of the new models were published by the 91 Mobiles resource. OnePlus, who previously introduced the public on the renderings of the devices, this time issued a complete set of official images in which both models appeared in all colors and all angles, including folded and unfolded. If the selection of shots is exhaustive, then the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be offered in black, grey and beige, while the Galaxy Flip 4 will receive black, gold, blue and lilac colors. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 renders show a beige variant. According to rumors, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will receive a beige color. Few people will say that beige is their favorite color, but the actual shade will look pretty, especially when paired with gold hinges and trim. Here are preview photos courtesy of OnePlus, who posted renderings of 3 of the 4 colorways for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. After beige, let's look at a phantom black. Maybe it will have a different name. It looks darker. Not much has changed since the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The aspect ratio of the lid display has been limited, and the internal display has also changed. The loop is said to have been redesigned to make the crease smaller. There are no radical external differences from last year's Galaxy Fold 3 and Galaxy Flip 3. Both successors have inherited a very similar appearance, right down to the black strip at the top of the Flip model. The black background on the display makes it hard to know if the Galaxy Fold 4 will get an under-screen selfie camera, which did not perform well in last year's model. It is also unclear whether the older model will receive a compartment for the S Pen stylus. However, the absence of revolutionary changes in appearance does not exclude progress in the technical part. There is reason to believe that the Galaxy Flip 4 will get a redesigned screen with an invisible fold line, while the Galaxy Fold 4 will run Android 12 operating system, a special version of the platform optimized for larger screen devices. The Samsung Galaxy Unpacked for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Galaxy Z Flip 4, and new wearables Galaxy Watch 5 series and new Galaxy Pro headphones are scheduled for August 10. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.